one of the worst things that a car guy could do, possibly, is break a stud or a bolt in his motor. So that's what we have here today, a broken bolt on the manifold, which is not the end of the world. But my preferred way of extracting these bolts is this bad boy right here. All good, reliable. I've used bolt extractors, I've used all kinds of stuff. I mean, everything in the book. This is my preferred way. I don't like having extractors breaking halfway and fucking punching right through in between my thumb and my index finger. So come at me if you want, but this is my way. This is how I was taught by an old school, and this is the best way to do it. No problems. It's gonna get the job done. Right here, what we got is that we got a 5.3 for a FRS. We're doing a LS swap on. It's basic stock build 5.3 406E stained automatic, and yeah, let's extract this damn bolt. Watch me eat the lasagna. The Giornos. All right, so back to where we're at. Lunch break is over. Take a little sip of this water, but basically is I grabbed a nut that base is almost the same diameter size as the hole, right? Once I got that, I go ahead. This is an old extracted bolt right here that I pulled out. Grab my welder, grab my lead, make sure my gas is on, make sure we're good to go. And this is just an example of what I do, right? I come here and I don't even, honestly, I could use my welding hood, but I don't, just because the light is, when I do this, the light is trapped and you can't even see the arc. So what I'm gonna show you guys is when I go to when I start the process, I butt this up against this. I butt it up against that, and then send it. Pop. Well, I mean, get that thing hot till it's, because if you go at a time, right, you do that, and then you do that a few times, it's not gonna, you're gonna have trouble. It's gonna snap. It's gonna break. I know what I've done it plenty of times. I did it for you guys, right? So just hold it. Just hold it. Send that thing. Let it get full. Let it do its thing. Let it get hot. Let that heat, break anything that's around that original broken stud, and you're good. You'll be good to go. So here we go. My phone died, so we're using the Metas. We're switch the quality, but this is all you need right here. Covers the hole pretty nicely. Easy enough to build around. Let's go. This is where you learn patience, okay? If you don't have patience, this is not the thing for you. But you can learn patience. And this is the final result. Doing what I did, how I told you guys to do it. This is the same one, as you can see. All right. Right here. Still looks good. Look at that. I mean, I could safely say that I may be able to use it how dead center this damn way it came out. It's safe to say that I feel like I could probably use this for something else. I don't know, would you? But we got it out. See that? It doesn't take much. That's why, look, it took me 5 minutes to get it done. I ain't gotta go through a bunch of extractors. Use your boy's welder. Buy him some fucking beers. And then that's it. Unless you got a manifold that's like behind on the firewall, tucked underneath, then you're on your own there, buddy. That's why you got the motor out, do it then. Don't even hassle, don't even struggle. Get these broken bolts out, please. For me. Do it for me.